stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight, o'er the ramparts we watched.
It was on a bleak, cold day in December 2000 when I stood among 2,000 or 3,000 people at the point in Pascagoula, waiting for the coal to arrive. But as that coal moved up through the channel, 3,000 people suddenly got quiet. There was a hush that went over the crowd. A lot of respect was being paid to the USS Cole.
That our flag was still
The morning that the USS Cole arrived at Ingalls Shipyard on piggyback of the Blue Marlin, just about everybody at Ingalls wanted to be associated with the Cole to say that they helped repair it and to put it back in the fleet.
We had a lot of ideas of what was done, the damage was done. We'd seen some pictures, and we removed the canvas that was covering the hole. I don't think anyone realized how large of a hole it was and the magnitude of the damage. And once we went aboard the ship and looked inside, it was extremely more than what I had ever imagined it was. We knew what we were expecting, but once you seen it, it did make you want to cry, knowing that she was damaged and we had our sailor that was killed and injured. There was a lot of emotions involved.
Well, I think that the performance of the crew saving this ship in the first place was truly heroic. And the efforts that this crew took, and the courage and the heroism shown in saving this ship so that she could come here for a proper repair and come back to the fleet as a ready warship, cannot be exaggerated. This was truly a remarkable feat of heroism on the part of the sailors that saved this ship.
Single out these sailors for their heroic accomplishments, shake their hands. It just doesn't get any better than this. I think we should count ourselves lucky to have people of this caliber serving our Navy and serving our country.
It was a major upgrade throughout from stem to stern, such as removing the reduction gear. The two engines never been done before. There was a lot of firsts that we had to address right off the bat. The upgrades of the combat systems throughout the ship were very extensive. It upgraded the ship to the new standards of the modifications that had been done since the Cole originally left the shipyard. All of that was included back into this availability.
Our shipbuilders working on this proud Aegis destroyer have worked tirelessly to return her to the fleet as an even stronger and more capable warship. Every employee here understands the significance and the importance of this project, and they are applying their shipbuilding skills to ensure that the USS Cole returns promptly to station with the battle force.
We ready to roll, Chief?
Oh, yes, sir.
Ready to lift it up? All right. Yeah. You guys ready? Yes, sir.
Right. Cole's Galley is open for business.
Feels real good to see my galley back in action.
This is our first meal on board Cole. Ingalls has done a fine job for us, got us here on time, and then sort of Cole crew took over. I mean, you're sitting here having a great meal in a great space. From here on out, Cole's galley and Cole's mess decks are open, and this is it. I mean, today starts sort of the new life of the ship for us to be living on board here. And again, welcome to Cole mess decks.
We are saying goodbye to our partners in the restoration of a great warship, which is also a national symbol of the indomitable spirit of the United States Navy, to show that when America is bloodied, she is not bowed. And the American people, and certainly the people in this shipyard, wanted to do everything in their power to put this ship back in a place where she can continue to protect America's interests and the freedoms which we take for granted.
We ask you to bless this great ship, this dwelling place of life and love for all these sailors. And we especially remember the 17 who are not with us. We commend them to your loving mercy, and we remember their families and loved ones.